Good day everyone, my name is John Albert Ngubat. I'm BPED 1B. If I are asked to choose the two concepts that resonate with me the most, I would choose I am me self and private self, public self and collective self. I choose this because they made me realize that understanding myself is not just about knowing my personality, but also about understanding how I act around other people and how I see myself. The first concept is I am me self. What I understand from this lesson that I is a part of me that is natural, honest, and express what I truly feel. Meanwhile, the me is the side of that become more careful because it thinks about expectation of other people and consequences of my actions. I can relate to this because there are times when I want to say or do something immediately, but I stop and think first. I ask myself, will this help the situation or will my words hurt someone? I realize that both that I and the me are important. That I allows me to be authentic while me reminds me to be respectful and responsible. I want to apply this in my daily life by being confident enough to express myself when still considering the feelings of others. The second concept is private self, public self, and collective self. This lesson helped me to understand that I have different sides depending on the situation. My private self is the version of me that only I truly know. It includes my personality, thoughts, dreams, fear, and struggles. My public self is how I present myself to other people, especially in school or during social interaction. Lastly, my collective self reminds me that I belong to a different groups such as family, classmates, and community, and that these groups help shape who I am. This concept resonates with me because I realize that every role I have is important. As a student, I should be responsible and hardworking. As a family member, I should show love and respect. As a friend, I should have be supported and trustworthy. Even though I show different sides of myself in different situations, I should always stay true to my values and never pretend to be someone I'm not just to fit in. Overall, these two concepts taught me that understanding myself is continuous process. Every experience that and every challenges and every interaction help me grow. By applying these lessons in my everyday life, I believe I will become more self-aware, more responsible, and more confident in facing whatever challenges comes to my way. Thank you, and that's all.